Hey guys, we got a 2024 Hyundai Venue. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So we're going to open the glove box up like that. Okay, over here, we're just going to pop that out on that side and then pop it out on this side as well. And that's going to release it a little bit. So you got to keep kind of moving it around until it comes off. And that right there is the cabin air filter door cover. Just pop these in, lift it up like that. That is the filter. Pull it out, take a look at it. This one looks pretty clean, so we won't replace it. But that's how you find it and how you remove the filter. Just remember when you're putting it back in that the airflow goes down. I'll link one in the description, and if you do it yourself, you're going to save probably $40 to $50. So it's definitely a good thing to do. But yes, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Again, this is a 2024 Hyundai Venue, and this is the cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.